Now we will discuss how to control the first parameter, that is resistance and resistance unbalance. All of us know that resistance is based on copper purity and its conductivity, degree of annealing, and area of cross section of the wire. In order to have uniform results of resistance, we should be able to get uniform diameter of wire with clean surface. That means the wire surface should be free from copper dust, dirt, and scratches. Now, how to get this quality of wire and what actions are required to be taken by us, I like to explain. The most common reason for getting variation in diameter on any wire drawing machine is excessive slippage. This slippage causes continuous jerking in the wire and also continuous rubbing of wire surface with the capstan rings, resulting into excessive heat generation and dust generation. And that is the reason it causes variation in diameter of the wire, and at the same time it increases concentration of copper dust particles in the lubricant, which is not desirable. Basic cause for excessive slippage is either die drafting or variation in diameter of the capstan rings. For that, I suggest the following steps which will eliminate excessive slippage. These steps are: number 1, measure RPM of individual capstans. Number 2, using formula given on the slide, work out percentage area reduction between two successive capstans. Number 3, compare the percentage area reduction with your die drafting. If it is matching, it is okay, but wherever there is deviation, die drafting may be corrected. Number 4, check diameter of capstan rings by diameter tape, and it should be same as supplied by the machine manufacturer. The diameter of ring varies only when we grind the capstan rings for removal of grooves. But while doing so, we should ensure that before grinding, we should build up a layer of hard metal on the ring by way of welding and then grind it back to the required diameter. The suggested steps will eliminate the excessive slippage and will improve the wire quality up to required level. The wire drawing lubricant should also be clean and should have continuous filter system to filter metal particles up to 5 microns. This will not only help in getting clean surface but will enhance the life of dies as well as drawing rings. Another important thing is that the wired drawing lubricant cooling system should be designed well and should not allow the lubricant temperature to go beyond 45 degrees Celsius. If the lubricant temperature goes beyond that, it loses its lubrication properties very fast, and without proper lubrication there will be metal sticking in dies, which will again cause diameter variation and surface scratches on the wire.